Hello guys. What do you see the ball? The goal over there? It's amazing at this. Oh, winter. Winter with a vengeance. It's no storm with a vengeance. It's not storm with a vengeance, okay? Today is not today we were not supposed to be outside because it's gonna be a bad day today. It's a snowstorm. I think it's the last snowstorm this season. At the end of March, it's not supposed to be snow no more because at the end of March. But you know, here, Mother Nature with a vengeance, and you know. This is the situation right now. It's still snowing, and come on, what are you doing there? Hurry up, Tina. What is that?
A bottle.
Oh,
It's snow.
there's snow.
Yeah. Where this is milk, I was without it, they put it in the snow.
Okay. Tina, yan lang.
See that, Dada?
Yeah.
See the snow in there?
Yeah. So this is what we have right now. Really you know, amazing. We are at the football field, so what we gonna do? Enjoy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh, this is it. It's amazing. All the tree right there. Oh boy. So what happened? Yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Oh, amazing, amazing, amazing.